Hi friends, I hope you are you very well. Today we will discussion of PLC Omron PLC software CX programmer versions 9.5% instruction rising and falling is upwardly differentiate or rising is upwardly differentiated with prefix is use it adds and output instructions goes from off to ons and input instructions use execution conditions. Execution condition is true for one cycle when the result goes from off to on and downwardly differentiated calling is the following is downwardly differentiated with the prefix is percentage output instruction is execution condition goes from on to off and input instructions use execution conditions during the operation condition true for one cycle when the result goes from on to off today. And now we going for software use and make a practice. This is the inputs is 0.00. This is the upwards and this is the call is the rising is and outputs is the 100.00 and memory instruction use the sets and outputs is 1 0 0 and 0 ones. When the inputs is goes from off to on and outputs is simultaneous times is going on, but this is not continuously showing, so I use the set instructions and this is the go off to on, the set is continue ons and then 100.01 is on, then output but memory 0.00 is on and then the 0.00 is the off on to off, then the output 100.02 is the pulse form is on and then it's off. So I used other instructions just set and outputs is 100.03 used outputs and output is on continuous when will it's not going from reset then is continue on, so use the 100.03 is on and but memory is continue on. When will I use the reset instruction 0.01 the other inputs and this is on single time, then both memories are reset. So I use the first the simulation the goes on, so I off this instruction control plus K, this is off. Now use the first instruction 0.00 is goes from off to on, so this is the instruction use G, that is on. So first memory is on, but 100.01 outputs is on, bits memory is on, so work memory is also on. Now take an action on this off, control plus K, this is off. Now this is off time, this is second memory, bits memory 100.03 is on, 100.03 is on and work memory 0.01 is on. Now also the both inputs is off, both inputs is off. Now reset inputs is on, now again this is off, again this is off, so this is the on off, now off, but output is on, now again cycle is on pulse form, then the both outputs is off, so both outputs off. Thank you for watching this video. If you any have questions your minds, can you ask to me directly, I will definitely support to you. Thank you.